Welcome to our healthy talk show, and today we have Falgun Jani from Fredenberg, and he will talk about his company, his innovation, his market. So, Mr. Jani, yeah, please tell me about your existing journey with different companies. You have a leadership. So, tell me about your career perspective so far, Jani.
Sure. Thanks for giving us a chance. So basically, India is a very diversified market, as you see from all perspective. When I started my journey, it was started with the filtration technology, something which not many people are aware of it, but we use in day to day, whether it comes to pharmaceutical or medical. So I started my career with the filtration industry, then switched over to things called specialty chemicals. That was another with the different companies. So one point of time I was giving a product for the pharma industry, and the other point of time I was with a banana plantation giving a product for the agrochemical industry. Again, exciting journey. Thereafter, I switched over to a company called Dow Corning and the Dow Chemicals. So these are again into specialty chemicals. Moreover, after this journey, thereafter again I joined a company called Avantor and Mucil. Again, similarly focused onto pharma and medical device. Again introducing some of the new technology, some of the first in India kind of products, and now finally working together with FREUDENBERG Medical. So I'm sure the next upcoming times will be very interesting.
As you are German-based company, so what is your vision in India? So how you are seeing Indian market specifically in the medical sector regarding to your product?
So I think over a period of time, FREUDENBERG as a group has been present in India since many years. I mean, even pre-independence era also. Medical was somehow kind of not represented in that manner. FREUDENBERG has its own manufacturing setup. We as a company, India is very much focused in our radar. The thing is, pharma industry for India is a kind of growth story. Everyone knows, all across the globe now, especially after the pandemic. The next phase which is coming is for the medical device. There are steadily growing, customers base which are here. We have been supporting them, even before I joined. But the thing is, there was not customer-centric focus which was there. And now after I joined, it becomes very much easier for specifically when it comes to customer connect and having day-to-day interaction, participating in their projects. So over a period of time, I could see a lot of core manufacturing in the medical device sector which is coming up, and their customers require a lot of our support. The kind of technologies or instrumentation when it comes to the new their project developments. We try to support in all different aspects.
So as you said, you are into medical devices, you are into latex. So how you are coping up with the Indian manufacturers and supplying the product?
So I will at least diversify. I'll give an example of my one of the previous life where I have worked with a specific instrumentation of latex. So India as a country, where we are not having that much kind of allergies to latex, let us say, but still there was a requirement, when customers from India, they wanted to export the products. So we found out a solution which was within India for India kind of thing. So we formulated the product and we gave it to the market, keeping in mind of course the economy, because very most important thing in India is the kind of affordability. You cannot apply the solutions of US and Europe directly into the India. It has to suit the economy and scale of India. That's what we have done. When it comes to FREUDENBERG, we have introduced kind of product just now. We are coming up for the pharma as well as medical device industry. Things could be very small, components, and customers are looking heavily into this thing. They are sometimes even struggling to get out the product on time. So that's where we come into picture. We support them with our core knowledge. We support them with our technology, what we can provide to them, and how to implement and access about the India market.
So do you have any expectation from government?
Especially after this government has taken over, they have taken a lot of initiative to support, specifically the medical device industry. I could say a lot of medical device parks have been set up. AMPZ is the one. There are parks set up in Chennai. There are parks coming up in Dehradun, which is where most of my customers are also trying to invest there. They already started manufacturing, working with government. Nowadays, if you approach government, they are so supportive. Everything right from the initiation of the project, or even when it comes to your specific procurement kind of it, or instrumentation, or importing something, or even the kind of getting the land out of it, a specific area, as he said, very much supportive on that part. I would at least expect that these things continue to grow. Government is trying the things from their side, but industry also should come up in that way. Even the academia also should support them, because what we find that industry is trying from their side, government is trying from their side, but even the students, the universities who should start participating along with the industry and coming up with the projects. There are people ready to support, government is ready to support, but this thing, once everything starts to confluence, I'm sure that we'll see there's a dawn of a new something era into medical device industry for India.
Thank you so much for talking with us.
Sure.
With MedGate Today team.
Yeah.
So, do you want to give some message to our readers or our industry?
I would say we are there to support you. Thank you. MedGate is there, partners to at least keeping our voice reaching out to you, a specific pharma and medical fraternity. We are coming up with solutions which are specifically required, you have been looking for, and stay tuned. I would say there are lots of new things coming up, specific solutions to you, and if you require any kind of support, please feel free to reach out to us. We are available for you. Thank you very much. Thank you, MedGate. Thank you, sir, for having us.